Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video we will be learning how to log into HDFC bank account online. To log into HDFC online banking account, first of all, open up a web browser on your device that you are using, and then in the URL box type in hdfcbank.com and search. Now you'll end up in the official site for HDFC Bank. You will see a login drop-down at the top right corner. Tap on that and then choose Net Banking option under Personal. You can choose the option depending upon your bank account's type, and then on the next page you'll be required to enter your customer ID or your user ID. If you don't remember your customer ID, you can tap the Forgot Customer ID button and follow through the instructions. If you do, write it down in the text box. After you are done, click on Continue. On the next page, you'll be prompted to enter your password or IPIN. Type it down correctly in the text box. Now here, if you've forgotten your password or IPIN, you can also get help by tapping the Forgot Password/IPIN link. After entering your net banking account's credentials correct, click on Login, and then soon after you do that, you might need to enter an OTP sent to your registered mobile number if you have enabled two-factor authentication. Once logged in, you can check your account balance, transfer funds, pay bills, and more. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.